This is section 2.1, linear functions. In this video, we're going to go through number 41 in your book, and in this problem, it gives us this graph, or something that looks like this graph, and it asks us to find the equation of the line that represents this function. So remember, to write the equation of any line, we need two things. One, we need the slope, and two, we need a point on the line. So looking at the graph that they gave us, I can find the slope either by picking 2 points on the graph and using my slope equation, which remember is just difference in the y's over difference in the x's, or I could just use the graph and count how many y's and how many x's are between my 2 points. So if I were to do that, I could go from this point here, which is the point 0, 1, and this point here, 3, 3, and count how many y's are between these 2 points and how many x's are there. So if I were to count the y's from 1 to 3, that's just a difference of 2 y's, over the difference of the x's, I'm going from 0 to 3. So from 0 to 3, that's a difference of 3 units. So this is my slope. And remember, if you're just counting the y's and the x's, make sure that you have the right sign. Since this is a positive slope, my m is positive. If it were a negative slope, though, if we're facing down, then my slope should be negative. Alright, so I have my slope. I just found that by counting the y's and the x's. And now I need a point on my line. Well, I have many, because they gave me the graph of the function. So I'll just choose this point 3, 3. And now I just plug these things into my equation of the line. For this video, I'm going to use the point slope form, which remember is this, where my y1 and x1 are just my point, and my m is my slope. And when I plug all my values in, I get the equation y minus 3 is equal to my m, which is 2/3, times x minus my x point, which is 3. And that's it for this problem. Remember, whenever they're asking you to find the equation of a line, you always need two things. You need the slope and the point. Once you have that, you can just plug it into your equation and you're done. The concepts covered in this video are true no matter what pre-cal class you're in, but in case you're interested, all the problems referenced in this book came from this lovely book right here. Remember that if you're a Baylor student, we offer free tutoring on the first floor of Sid Rich. You can either make an appointment or drop in whenever you're available to get tutoring in pre-cal, calculus, and a bunch of other subjects as well. Feel free to visit our website for more information.